Hello, my nation, and today we're reacting to part 26 of God versus Monkey. Boom! Intro, baby. Not mine, theirs.
Wait till your party goes to class, dude. That's me.
Leave a comment for video release now. Part 26. Watch for that. Glow!
Not good.
Oh man, I'm still you.
We've got other problems. Where's Noodle Neck? We're over here. Oh man, Itchy's out cold. Why are you still laying there? We gotta move. I can't. This body needs both heads to work.
Seriously?
Let's just drag him.
No, that ain't how it
On
works.
three.
But why'd you skip 1 and 2?
Because that doesn't how it works, mate. It goes 1, 2, go. Oh, Ricky found it.
Wow, he's like you, but way cooler.
Okay, first off, how dare you? Second, you've got to do something.
Why me?
Well, because Big Bird over here can't even stand up, and I'm stuck inside of your stupid monkey body.
Come on, man, I don't even know how to use your atomic breath.
Look, it's easy. Just focus your eyes straight on your target and put your mind to it.
These instructions are oversimplified.
Don't question my teaching methods.
Oversimplified.
Got this, bro.
More like over.
Okay.
Yes. He has stormtrooper
Are
aim.
you kidding me? All you had to do was look at him. What are you, cross-eyed or something?
Dang, bro, you're ginormous.
Correct.
You're just like me. You could speak? Yes. And now you will listen. This world belongs to me, and I refuse to share it with an inferior species. Well, would you share with a giant monkey? What?
Master of Stealth!
I'm sorry.
Punches harder. Yeet.
Prepare to die, weaklings.
How much that?
Oh, come on, dude. Why can't you be that cool?
But oh, come on, Itchy. Wake up, man. They need us. Oh, screw you, man. I'll do this myself.
I can feel your power.
Oh, frick, you
It
don't be.
feels great.
Oh, frick.
Feels strong.
Good.
Hey, big guy. You like that?
Kong is pretty much useless.
You better hope you're still pretty without your teeth.
Boss this!
See? That's how it feels. Ah! What's going on?
Well, in short, that big scary thing over there is trying to kill us.
Don't worry, I've got this.
No, wait, don't!
I feel stronger. Much stronger.
Absorbing it. Boom. Let's boom, not. For the two. Good wings. Oh well, said after 1 or 2 or so. So, Rubber Raptor signing out.